What is good, everybody? I'm back with another video. In this video we're gonna go get Aptoide TV, basically your Fire Stick's best friend. Every app that you're gonna need to use stuff like Cinema APK and stuff like TV Tap, you're gonna need players and stuff like that, and Aptoide TV can help you get those players plus a whole lot more. If you're interested in getting Aptoide TV, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's start now. Alright. First, let's set up your Fire Stick. Alright, let's go over here to settings from the home screen. Slide down to where it says device and software. Alright, click right there. Make sure go to developer options and make sure ADB debugging is turned on. Make sure apps from unknown sources is turned on. Click right there. Once you finish right there, just hit the home button. Alright, now we're gonna go get downloader. Alright, let me make my camera stop autofocusing if I can. Alright, okay, so from here let's just slide over to the magnifying glass. Alright, and let's type in DOW. Alright, you're going to see downloader pop up, the third selection down there on the bottom. Click on downloader. There it is. Click one more time and download You Own It. Click right there. Okay, that's installing. That's finished already. Alright, let's open it up. Allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on the device. You have to select allow, then click OK. Before we type in the URL for Aptoide, let's go to settings. Click on that. Slide over to where it says enable JavaScript. You're going to need that. Click on that. Slide over to yes. Click on it and make sure all three boxes are checked off. Come back up to home. Select home. Move your cursor over right here to the end of the double forward slashes. Click right there. Now we're going to type in the URL. Alright, so type in Aptoide dash TV. Alright. Dot en dot Aptoide .com. Alright, so that's Aptoide dash TV .en .aptoide.com. Once you have that typed in correctly, just hit go. Alright, if you typed it in correctly, you'll see this screen. Just click OK. Alright, there's Aptoide right there. We use cookies. Alright, got it. Let's click right here. Alright. Okay, so that's downloading. Okay. Select install. Alright, select open. Okay. Now from here, it might get stuck for a few seconds. Alright, so what we're going to do is hit the home button. Hit the home button until it lets you get back to the home screen. Okay? Now once we get back to the home screen, you want to hold down the home button. Alright? Go to apps. Okay, there it is right there. We're going to select it, right? Alright, now it's going to say install one more time. So let's do that. Let's select OK. And let's allow. Okay, it's actually going to give us 2 apps, but one of them we're not going to need. So we're going to go back in and delete that one. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to install that one. Right. Now let's select done. Okay. Now what I want to do is hit the home button one more time. Let's go to apps. Let's slide down to the bottom. You see we got 2 of them right here. This one right here, we're going to delete that one. So hit your option button or your hamburger button and uninstall that. Uninstall app, hit OK. Okay, and we want to open up this Aptoide right here, which is optimized for your television. Alright, and it looks like that. Okay, you want to select OK. Select allow one more time. And here we go. Aptoide TV. Your Fire Stick's best friend. Alright, as you can see, you can get stuff like Showbox in here, Kodi, Netflix. You can get the VLC player, which I recommend. You can get Mob Dro. Okay, a couple other things that you should get out of here are Woofy player, of course, downloader, MX player. Alright, and the list goes on. Most of the things you need to play stuff like cinema, like I said, or play TV tap, Kodi, anything like that, you're gonna need players. So get your Woofy player, your MX player, and your VLC player out of Aptoide TV, plus explore to get most of your games and all kinds of different apps. Alright, so that's Aptoide TV. Enjoy it. If you like this video, please thumb the video up. Okay, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm dropping more videos. I got plenty more videos on the channel, so go check them out. And I'm out. Peace.